In today's video, I'm going to teach you Monday.com, how to copy boards to another account, 2026 Cross-Account Copier Guide. If you're moving work between teams or consolidating workspaces, the cross-account copier is the safest way to duplicate boards from one Monday.com account into another. Before we start, make sure you're signed in with an admin-level role and that you have access to both the account you're copying from and the one you're copying to. This helps avoid permission errors during the transfer. Begin on the home page so you're oriented in the correct account. Take a quick moment to confirm you're in the account you expect by checking the logo and the account name in your interface. It's easy to mix up environments if you work across multiple accounts. Next, head to the top right corner and click your profile icon. From the menu that opens, select Administration. This takes you into the admin area where the cross-account tools live. Inside Administration, locate the section that shows the account URL or web address. Copy that address. This is the precise identifier Monday.com uses to target an account, so copying it directly avoids typos. The destination account URL you paste later should be the account that will receive the copied boards, so double-check you're capturing the correct one. Now, in the admin navigation, click Cross-Account Copier. This tool is designed to securely duplicate boards, preserving structure like columns, groups, items, and many board settings. If you don't see it, verify you have the right permissions or that your plan includes this feature. In the Destination Account field, paste the account URL you copied. Make sure there are no extra spaces and that the address matches the intended destination. You'll typically be prompted to authenticate or confirm access if needed, which ensures the copier has permission to write to that account. Choose the workspace and the boards you want to copy. Use the search and filters to quickly find the right boards, and consider starting with a single board if you're testing the process for the first time. Keep in mind that integrations or automations may require reauthorization after the copy, and some granular permissions or item IDs won't transfer exactly as is. When you're ready, click Continue. The copier will begin duplicating your selected boards to the destination account. Depending on board size and attachments, this may take a little time. Once complete, review the destination workspace to confirm columns, groups, views, and data look right, and then reconnect any integrations as needed. That's it. Your boards are now copied to the other account with minimal friction.